Place the brush inside the toilet bowl. The result is truly impressive. Start by pouring hot water over the brush. This crucial step helps remove dirt and dissolves residues. Next, take hydrogen peroxide, commonly known as a disinfectant. Pour it directly onto the brush. This solution is highly effective against bacteria, fungi, and viruses, ensuring thorough disinfection. Hydrogen peroxide also eliminates unpleasant odors from the brush. Finally, add a few drops of tea tree essential oil. This natural remedy not only enhances disinfection, but also leaves a fresh, pleasant scent. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties. After cleaning, leave the brush in the same position for a few minutes to allow excess water to drip into the toilet bowl. This method leaves your brush not only clean and disinfected, but also smelling fresh. Regular cleaning is the key to maintaining hygiene in your bathroom. The foaming action will do all the work for you. This trick lets you clean even a heavily soiled toilet without any scrubbing. Take a small bowl and add 6 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has disinfecting and strong cleaning properties. Then, add 6 tablespoons of citric acid. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the toilet. Add a few drops of dish soap. Next, pour 1.5 liters of vinegar into the toilet. Vinegar is excellent for eliminating bacteria, germs, and mold. It can even tackle old limescale deposits that often accumulate under the toilet rim. Mix everything together. The mixture will start to react and foam immediately. This combination of ingredients acts like an invisible brush. Let it sit for about 15 minutes. The active foam will dissolve water deposits and disinfect the toilet's interior. In just a few minutes, a fresh, clean scent will fill the entire bathroom. Your toilet will have never been this clean. Do you know what baking soda can be used for in the shower? I use its properties not only for baking cakes. With this simple baking soda mixture, not only will your shower sparkle, but you'll also enjoy a longer-lasting cleanliness without the need for frequent cleaning. I'll show you that just 1 packet of baking soda will help you get rid of stubborn stains and save a lot of money. Pour the baking soda into a container. Add a bit of dishwashing liquid. Pour a portion of dishwasher rinse aid and the same amount of apple cider vinegar. Pour about half a liter of water over all the ingredients and mix. Foam will be created, which will disappear after a while. Once all the ingredients are mixed, take it to the bathroom. Close the drain in the sink and pour the mixture. Take a sponge, soak it, and start cleaning the shower door, especially the chrome handles. Clean the glass on the door and the remaining walls of the shower cabin thoroughly. Also, clean the shower faucet. All streaks and dullness caused by water and soap scum will come off. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results quickly. The water will flow down the glass without leaving deposits and streaks. All spots and lime from the water will disappear and won't reappear as quickly. You won't have to clean the entire shower so often. It will be shiny and clean for much longer. The mixture will leave a protective layer on the glass, and you'll have time for other pleasures. Drop this powder into the toilet bowl. It will remove stubborn residue and limescale. Without chlorinated and harmful chemicals, you'll get rid of stains and dirt. Cleaning the toilet has never been so simple. You no longer need to ventilate the bathroom during cleaning to get rid of harmful bleach fumes. This powder will tackle a dirty toilet much faster. Prepare a few powdery products, and the residue in the toilet will disappear. Start with regular flour. Flour adheres well to dirt, making it easier to remove. Our grandmothers already used its cleaning properties. Put 3 tablespoons of flour into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt acts as an antiseptic, disinfectant, and abrasive. Add a little baking soda. It has disinfecting, whitening properties and neutralizes unpleasant odors. In a few seconds, you'll make a super powder for cleaning dirt. Before cleaning the toilet, first spray its surface with plain water. Then sprinkle the dirt with this powder. Wait about 20 minutes. After this time, take a brush and scrub the toilet. You'll see that the dirt will come off quickly. The toilet will be cleaner than ever. Stick a sanitary pad to your shower head. This quick trick will transform your shower. First, Unscrew the connector between the hose and the shower head. Lime scale builds up fast, and the more there is, the harder it is to remove. But you can get rid of it in minutes with just some kitchen supplies: vinegar and dish soap. Mix a small amount of vinegar and dish soap in a dispenser, about 1 small cup. Pour the mixture onto a large sanitary pad and wrap it around the shower head. Secure it with a few rubber bands or string to keep it sealed. Leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse it off in the sink. Screw it back onto the shower. This simple method deeply cleans the shower head, preventing lime scale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. The results are amazing. Your shower head will work like new. My neighbor showed me this household trick, and it completely surprised me. It turns out that solving some annoying home problems doesn't require specialized tools, expensive products, or a professional visit. Instead, you can use something you probably already have at home. This everyday item can work wonders in a way you'd never expect. Here's how to use it effectively. First, fill a plastic bag with water in your sink. Place the bag directly over the problematic area, and now it's time for the magic. When you run water, the water-filled bag creates a vacuum effect that solves the issue effectively. The entire process is simple, quick, and most importantly, effective. This method is not only fast but also eco-friendly and practical. You don't need chemicals or costly tools. Who would have thought that such a simple household item could become an unexpected hero? Sometimes the best solutions are right at your fingertips. Do you also have a problem with white stains on a black sink? Most people who buy such a sink have no idea how to take care of it. White marks don't come off even after washing with dish soap. But an indispensable solution in such a case turns out to be one inexpensive product. Everyone has it in the kitchen cabinet, and it turns out it should also be next to the sink. Then, white deposits from water will never mar your kitchen. Apply a simple trick, and in a few minutes, you'll get rid of the problem. Here's how to deal with it. Take a bottle of vinegar and pour it into a spray bottle. Then spray the sink surface where there are white spots. Do it thoroughly and generously. Place pieces of paper towel on the damp sink and spray vinegar again. It's important for the paper towels to be completely wet. This way, the vinegar won't evaporate and it will work longer, removing the white spots. Leave the paper for several minutes. In just a few minutes, you'll see that the white marks disappear. After a dozen or so minutes, remove the paper and see the difference. There will be no trace of lime deposits. The black streaks and spots will be a thing of the past, and you can enjoy a perfectly clean black sink. To prevent new white deposits, just spray the sink with vinegar from time to time, and that's it. Good luck.